Okay. Hi. We're gonna redo the burping contest because we were asked by the KnicksDude95 and Thellikeburps to do a rematch of our burping contest, which you guys seem to like. So yeah, I'm gonna win again. By the way.
No way.
Yeah, just so we're clear on that.
I have 2 fizzy pops. So.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, well, screw that.
Okay, they're both the same. We're both starting with the Dr. Pepper diet.
Diet.
God damn. Okay.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, it hurts.
Holy, I hate fizzy pop.
I need to burp so bad.
Then do it.
I'm gonna finish the can first. It totally tastes like Spanish peanuts. Holy shit! That hurt!
Was a fail, but okay.
Holy. I feel like my hair is a little messy.
It's right there.
I have to pee so bad. I'm starting to feel a little sick.
My hands are so cold. This pop's making my hands so cold.
Oh shit. Feels so gross now.
Yeah, my stomach hurts so bad. The first time was a lot better.
Yeah, no yeah. You done?
I think so.
Feel really gross now.
I'm really sick.
Anyways, you guys comment. Whoa.
If there's any other videos, anything else you'd like to see,
Just let us know and let us know who won, even though it was clearly me. I just had the last word.
no way.
I did! Okay.